I'm here with my good buddy Bigsby to celebrate my 200th episode here on Lonely Rocker. That's 200 episodes devoted to the home studio community. But where's this channel going from here? Well, this old clip will offer a little hint. Well, one place that I'm not going is back to that old red-walled studio. I'm firmly entrenched here in my newer home studio located north of Toronto, Canada, and looking forward to where this whole experience is going to take me. Now, I started this channel as I Don't Have a Band. That was actually the name of the channel, Tools for the Lonely Rocker, and I simplified everything, changed it to Lonely Rocker. I Don't Have a Band became sort of the flagship series. I've also had the Lonely Rockers Journal, Questions, Comments, Concerns, and Plug in, Plug Out, whole sorts of different shows here. I think it got confusing, so I amalgamated everything around episode 174, where I just counted everything, and now it's just Lonely Rocker in the spirit of really clarifying the message. Now, the other thing that I've decided to do is really clarify what my channel is all about, and that's the main purpose of this video. Now, it has been a home studio channel, and it will continue to be a home studio channel, but I'm a guitar player, and that's sort of central to everything I do. Yeah, I play some bass, I write songs, I produce music, there's a lot of stories to tell, but I am a guitar player primarily, and I really want to focus my perspective as a guitar player in a home studio. That's the plan going forward. Now, I thought I'd have a little fun. Take a look back. There's been a lot of fun guitar moments. There's been the music, there's been gear, but let's take a quick look back at some of the earlier moments on this channel.
Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed Lonely Rocker. Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed Lonely Rocker. Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed Lonely Rocker.
Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me for the first episode of I Don't Have a Band. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make cheap and awesome acoustic panels for your home studio or even your home theater. Or perhaps your wife thinks you make too much noise in the bathroom. I don't know, but that's your business.
With the volume of products that I've got here, that would be all-out warfare. My goal here is to highlight the key features of each interface to help you zone in on the type of device that would work best for you.
I've seen other test videos, and I figured clapping into a camera mic wouldn't reveal the results that I was looking for. Besides, clapping is reserved for silly animal tricks, or maybe when you're at the opera.
Muramasa is an ancient symbol of the superior sword-making skills of the Japanese. It is wild and unpredictable, much like its maker.
It's also a pretty cool reverb. Not to be lost in all of this is the music. Now, I feel fortunate that I can produce my own music, because often when you're reviewing plugins or gear, you need some music, and I know some YouTube channels struggle with that when they just don't have music. In my case, I can create my own music, and it pushes me as a player. So I thought we'd take a look back at some of my guitar highlights, at least some of my personal highlights. Just wanted to share those with you. Let's check it out. Having fun is a critical ingredient on this channel. If I wasn't having fun, I just wouldn't do it. Sure, I'm here to help educate people, share some gear, but certainly having fun and even often poking fun at myself. Like I said, I never take myself too seriously. So I thought I'd look back and take a look at some of the more fun moments on this channel. What? Have I died and gone to heaven? Feels like it. Wait, where's my wife? Ah, there she is.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to have your faces melted off? Well, I got you. Let's go. What the? What the hell's crap? What? I don't know what else to say. All right, I'm out. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Buy a G8 or I'm gonna break your fucking balls.
I want to teach you how to properly use the wah-wah pedal. Excuse me. Let's try that again. I want to show you how to properly use the wah-wah pedal. Is someone messing with me? The wah-wah. Oh, for fuck's sakes. The wah-wah pedal. Ah, f*** it. The wah-wah pedal. The wah-wah pedal.
Nobody's messing with you.
Well, here goes. Well, apparently technology failed me for this next pedal. The clip I shot went to Rock and Roll Heaven. But through some painstaking digital recreation work, I was able to recreate the essence of what Justin said. Well, apparently I suck at doing that. Sorry, Justin.
These beautiful guitars make me feel like I'm a kid again. But sadly, I'm not.
Well, I may not be new, but these sure are, while paying tribute to a golden era.
Now, what I wanted to do in this video is show you how to change the preamp tubes of an amplifier. I've consulted with a couple of professionals, and it's pretty simple to do with some very important considerations. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm the Lonely Rocker. This is I Don't Have a Band, and welcome to my home studio. I love the smell of a good tube amp in the morning. Oh, sorry, just feeling a little patriotic there. For those of you who don't know, this Lonely Rocker's Canadian.
So Dan, I got everything right here. I'm gonna box it up and I'm gonna send it out to you so you can try it out in your studio. And as always, let me know what you think.
Now that's fast shipping.
Tip number 2.
I might get a lot of grumbling from tip number 2, but hear me out. Tuning your guitar.
Why the f are you wasting a tip on this when you only have 5?
If it walks like a duck and sounds like a duck, then it must be an old MXR envelope filter. I've been rummaging through my storage and I found this old Rat pedal from the mid to late 80s. This is the version they made before they went high tech, and by high tech I mean they added an indicator light. And then you hit the 5th fret harmonic on the E string and pair that with the 7th fret on the A string. God, I can just hear those anti-harmonic people just screaming in the background. No matter how hard I tried, no matter what combination of switches and dials I tried, this pedal just doesn't make me play as good as Sean Tubbs.
Now, last and certainly not least is the gear, the software. One of the benefits of a YouTube channel is you get to try out all sorts of stuff, and as you start to grow, companies reach out to you to do reviews. I do try to be selective, and I'm gonna get even more selective going forward, but it's a big part of this channel, and I love trying out different gear, either sharing some of my gear with you or getting to review plugins or other gear. It's been a lot of fun. Thought we'd check out some of the highlights.
Now in this episode, I'm going to be talking to you about this gorgeous Suhr guitar. This is a Classic T Deluxe limited edition. This was manufactured between 2018 and 2019, limited to about 200 pieces. Today I'm diving into the deep, dark world of distortion pedals. And this is not a shootout. It's not a shootout. Maybe it's a, no, it's not a shootout.
Hey Dan, it's Jason from Two Notes. Hope you're well, mate. We've got some amazing new cabs coming out from Dave Friedman, some of his stuff from his line and some of the rarities that he has kicking around his workshop.
I've literally got an entire pedal board in the palm of my hands. Got something for me.
Oh, do I ever. You're in for a treat.
900.
There you go.
Well, there's a look back to some of my personal favorite highlights here on the channel. We are leaning a little guitar these days, and I certainly hope you don't mind. We got a lot of great content coming here. I've got a lot of things in the pipeline as we speak, and I'm really excited to bring that to you. I want to thank all of you that have taken the time and have spent time with me here on my channel. I'm trying to get better and better all the time. I do read the comments. I do listen to suggestions, so don't hesitate. If you've got any thoughts, please leave them in the comments. And I look forward to hopefully the next 200 videos and hope you'll join me for that ride. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you want to do a deeper dive with me, I'm on Patreon. I have affiliate links, I've got merch, all of that's down below. It all helps the channel and I really appreciate that. But the most important thing is to check out another video. I've got one waiting for you right here. And remember, you don't need a band to rock and roll. And I look forward to seeing you again in another video.